With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given that if V and U are the electric potential and energy density respectively at a distance is smaller from a positive point charge, then which of the following graph is the correct? Okay, so we need to find which of the graph is correct. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to find what is the relationship between them. So potential, basically we know that potential at any point at a distance of small r due to a charge q would be written as kq divided by r. So this is the potential due to a point charge. Now what is the energy density due to a point charge? So it would be equals to 1 divided by 2 epsilon then E square. Okay, E square. Now what is E? E is the electric field, epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space, and U is the energy density. So if you put the value of E, so we can say that U would be equals to 1 divided by 2 epsilon. Now what is the value of E? E value would be equals to kq divided by r square. So in the electric field we are having kq divided by r square, and in potential we are having kq divided by r. So we need to square this. Okay, now our U would then turn out to be 1 divided by 2 epsilon. Now we can just rewrite this expression as kq square divided by r to the power 4. Okay, or what we can say that if we take r square to be outside this bracket, and we can just rewrite this expression as epsilon divided by r square, then we can just write kq divided by r square. We can write it like this. So r square term we have adjusted into the bracket. Now what is this? kq divided by r, it is equals to v. So we can say that this is written as, our u value would be written as epsilon divided by 2 r square into v square. Now this would be the value. Okay, now at any particular location, if we wanted to check, if we wanted to have any relation at the particular location, then we can say that our u would be directly proportional to v square. So we can say that at any particular location u would be directly proportional to v square. Now we need to have the relationship between v to the power 4 and u. So how can we do it? So if we square these, so we can say that our u square would be proportional to v to the power 4, or we can say that u square is equals to k times v to the power 4. Now where have we plotted v? V is plotted on the y-axis. So we can say that v to the power 4, let us assume that v to the power 4 is equals to y. We are plotting it on the y-axis. Okay, and this u value we have plotted on the x-axis. We can just see here, u value we have plotted on the x-axis. So we can say that our u value would be equals to x. Now if we put this result into this expression, then we can say that our x square would be equals to k times y. Now clearly from this relationship we can see that it would be a parabolic curve. So this option is straight line curve, and a straight line curve, this value would be equals to 0. Either ways A or B would be the correct option. How to judge whether A is correct or B is correct? What we can do, we can try to get the equation of the tangent. We can just find what is the tangent when x and y is equals to 0. That means at the origin. So that this would determine whether A or B is the correct. Now if dy by dx, because we have already said that we are taking this value to be y and this value to be x. Now if dy by dx comes out to be infinity, then this would be the correct, because this is having an infinite slope. Now if dy by dx, this comes out to be 0, that means this would be the case, because if we draw a tangent, it would be parallel to our u-axis, or we can say the x-axis. So the slope value would be equals to 0. Now this expression, if we just differentiate this, first of all we just rewrite this, y equals to x square divided by k, and if we take the derivative of this, so dy divided by dx, this would be equals to 2x divided by k. Now at x equals to 0, at our origin, which is 0, 0, what would be the value of our dy by dx? So dy divided by dx, so here it is only x, we put the value as x, it would be equals to 0. That means slope is 0 at origin. So which is the correct option? B would be the correct option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.